Oki placed his palms on his jaw, crying helplessly.
Oke tinyere ogwe aka ya n'agba, na-ebe akwa na-enweghị enyemaka. Hi guys, welcome to Language Education with Mavis. Here you have the chance to learn Nigerian languages, and in this case the Igbo language, through stories. I hope you have fun watching this, and I can't wait for your feedback in the comment section.
Oki was a very smart boy.
Oke bụ nwoke maara ihe nke ukwuu.
He could read fluently at the age of 5.
O nwere ike ịgụ ihe nke ọma mgbe ọ dị afọ 5.
He did so well in school that he always got the chance to pick something from the prize box.
O mere nke ọma n'ụlọ akwụkwọ, nke na ọ na-enwekarị ohere ịhọrọ ihe n'igbe nrite.
He loved candies a lot too.
Ọ hụrụ Switi n'anya nke ukwuu.
So when his teacher asked him to pick a prize,
Ya mere, mgbe ọbụla onye nkuzi ya gwara ya ka o were ihe nrite,
guess what? He always opted for
ka ihe ọ na-ahọrọ mgbe niile.
candy.
Switi.
He got so many candies that he began storing them in a box.
Ọ nwetara ọtụtụ Switi, nke na ọ malitere idowe ha n'igbe.
He called it his candy box.
Ọ kpọrọ ya igbe Switi ya.
Oki's mother was disturbed about this.
Ihe a wutere nne Oke.
Candies are not good for your teeth, she would say.
Switi adịghị mma maka eze gị, ọ ga-ekwu.
But Oki would not listen.
Mana Oke egeghị ntị.
Stop taking too many candies, she would scold.
Kwụsị ịracha ọtụtụ Switi, ọ ga-abara ya mba.
But Oki would close his ears.
Mana Oke ga-emechi ntị ya.
Let me hold on to them for you, his mother would plead.
Ka m jidere gị aka, nne ya ga-arịọ arịrịọ.
I earned them, they are mine, he would yell at her.
M rụsiri ọrụ ike maka ha, ha bụ nke m, ọ ga-eti ya na mkpu.
One day, shortly before dinner, Oki was seated on the dining table and ready to munch on his food.
Otu ụbọchị, obere oge tupu nri abalị, Oke nọ ọdụ na tebụl iri nri, ma dị njikere iri nri ya.
Suddenly, he felt a sharp pain in one of his teeth.
Na mberede, o nwere nnukwu ihe mgbu n'otu n'ime eze ya.
He cried out, "Mummy, my tooth hurts."
O tiri mkpu, "Nne, eze m na-egbu m mgbu."
As the seconds went by, the pain grew worse.
Ka sekọnd ole na ole gara aga, ihe mgbu na-akawanye njọ.
Oki placed his palms on his jaw, crying helplessly.
Oke tinyere ogwe aka ya n'agba, na-ebe akwa na-enweghị enyemaka.
His mother rushed to his side, looking very worried.
Nne ya gbagara n'akụkụ ya, na-eche oke nchegbu.
She rushed him to the dentist to get checked.
Ọ kpọgara ya onye dọkịta eze ka ọ lee ya anya.
He has a cavity on his left upper tooth, the dentist said.
O nwere oghere n'eze elu aka ekpe ya, dọkịta eze kwuru.
It is pretty damaged and will require to be extracted, she continued.
Ọ gara n'ihu ikwu, o mebiri emebi, ọ ga-achọkwa ka ewepụta ya.
What does she mean, Mummy? Oki asked.
Gịnị ka ọ pụtara, nne? Oke jụrụ.
Your tooth is bad and would be removed, his mother explained.
Eze gị adịghị mma, a ga-ewepụkwa ya, nne ya kọwara.
Oki was in shock.
Nke a juru Oke anya.
Does that mean I would be toothless, like Grandpa? He asked in terror.
Nke ahụ ọ pụtara na agaghị m enwe eze dịka papa nnukwu, ọ jụrụ n'ụjọ.
No, the dentist replied, we would implant a temporary tooth for you until you grow your permanent teeth.
Mba, onye dọkịnta eze zara, anyị ga-akụnye gị eze nwa tupu oge ruo mgbe ị tolitere, pụta eze na-adịgide adịgide.
But you must be careful with candies so that you don't lose your tooth again.
Mana ị ga-akpachara anya na Switi ka ị ghara ịtọpụ eze gị ọzọ.
I am sorry for not listening to you, Mummy, Oki cried.
Ọ dị m mwute na egeghị m gị ntị, nne, Oke bere n'akwa.
Later that day, when they arrived home, Oki carried his candy box and handed them over to his mother.
Mgbe ụbọchị ahụ gasịrị, mgbe ha rutere n'ụlọ, Oke buru igbe Switi ya nye nne ya.
Throw them away. I don't want them ever again, he said.
Tụfuo ha, achọghị m ha ọzọ, o kwuru.
His mother looked at him with a smile and said,
Nne ya lere ya anya, were ọnụ ọchị wee sị,
I never said you can't have them ever again, honey. Just take them less frequently and in small amounts.
Ọ dịghị mgbe m kwuru na ị gaghị enweta ha bụ Switi ọzọ, naanị na ị ga-ewere ha obere obere n'obere ntakịrị.
I would keep that for you, she continued, taking the candy box from Oki.
Aga m edebe nke ahụ maka gị. Ọ gara n'ihu na-ewere igbe Switi n'aka Oke.
I will give you one piece every week. How's that?
M ga-enye gị otu mpempe kwa izu. Kedu ka ọ dị?
That is fine, Mommy. Thank you.
Nke ahụ dị mma, nne m. Daalụ.
Oki gave his mother a big hug.
Oke nyere nne ya nnukwu mmakụ.
From that day on, he picked other items from the prize box, not candies.
Site n'ụbọchị ahụ gawa, ọ tụtara ihe ndị ọzọ n'igbe nrite, ọ bụghị Switi. Let's learn some Igbo vocabularies. Repeat after me. Box, Igwe. Candy, Switi. Candy box, Igbe Switi. Prize, ihe nrite. Prize box, Igbe nrite. Mother, nne. Doctor, dọkịta. Teeth, eze. Dentist, dọkịta eze. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Grandfather, papa nnukwu. Now it's your turn to practice. Box, candy. Candy box. Price. Price box. Mother. Did you get them right? Practice again. Box, candy, candy box, price, price box, mother. Doctor, teeth, dentist, school, grandfather. Did you get it right? Let's take it again. Doctor, teeth, dentist, school, grandfather. Did you get that? Let's take it from the top one last time. Are you ready? I am. Alright, read along with me. Box, Igbo. Candy, Switi. Candy box, Igbo Switi. Prize, ihe nrite. Prize box, Igbo nrite. Mother, nne. Can you run it down again on your own this time? Great job. Now let's proceed. Doctor, dokita. Teeth, eze. Dentist, dokita eze. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Grandfather, papa nnukwu. Can you try it on your own? Great job. Alright, I would advise you to keep practicing and improve your Igbo vocabulary. Until next time, see ya. Kodi.
If you are proud of your language, like this video and subscribe for more.